Hi everyone, I'm Skull from Alpha Technologies, and in Unbox IT today, we'll be having a look at the brand new video bar from Bose, the VB-S. Let's get started. So let's have a look at what's inside the box of the brand new VB-S. First things first, you will find all the little booklets, the warnings, instruction manual on how to do your wall mounting, everything that's included, and then obviously the full instruction manual. Also inside, they have included a very nifty little toolkit. You'll see the remotes for your the batteries for your remote, an extra little USB-C to USB adapter, all the screws and plugs and goodies that you'll need to do the installation. They've also included a 24-volt power supply. Now this unit will not run on the 6 volts that your computer's USB puts out. They've also given us a really nice little 5-meter USB-C to USB cable. Great for when you're putting the device between you and about 5 meters away from you and your computer. As well as this nice little dual hinge little table mount. You'll also find this infrared remote control, giving you access to features like volume up, volume down, zoom in, zoom out, follow me, or open zoom so that the whole room can be seen. You can also switch it on and activate your Bluetooth from the remote control. And then of course the reason why we are all here today, the brand new Bose VB-S. First things first, in the center you'll find the 4K Ultra HD wide angle camera. They've also included a very handy little privacy slide. So if you do not want to get disturbed during the meeting, or if you just want to block out the camera. On the side you'll find the 4 beam steering microphones, and they will then pick up everyone talking in the room, also eliminate feedback and eliminate all those unwanted little noises that you sometimes find in a Teams or a Zoom meeting. On this side you will see the legendary Bose little speaker. Now this little bad boy obviously performs well above its weight category. It's designed for 3 meter by 3 meter little huddle spaces, or a boardroom where you've got between 4 and 6 people in attendance. So that is pretty much it for today's Unbox It. For more information, you can check out our website, www.alpha-tec.co.za. We'll see you around. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so that you don't miss any of our uploads. Until next time, we'll see you.